Hello, sir. So my project of deep learning was pothole detection. So this is the main objective of this project is to automatically detect potholes on roads using deep learning and computer vision techniques. So in this system, I have trained a model using a pothole image dataset to that it can identify potholes from road images. Uh, Now let me demonstrate how the project works. So basically, first of all, I will upload the image. Okay, the image was uploaded. Then I will click on analyze. Okay, so pothole was detected, and also after processing the input, the model analyzes the image frame by frame and detects pothole present on the road. And as you can see on the screen, the detected potholes are highlighted with bounding boxes, and also detect then it can medium severity potholes, low or high severity potholes, and also you can see the location attached with that. Like click on view. Now here also you can see the latitude, longitude, and how many potholes you detected is stored in the history. Like you can also widescreen map also. And then live detection is works also, and I implemented this 5 screen, the detection history that store the detected pothole history. Then map store, like I told you earlier, and the other three is the basic, the about and details. So this detection can help in real world applications such as smart road monitoring and accident prevention, like in autonomous vehicles. And the technique used in these projects include Python, OpenCV, and YOLO and CNN. So as you can see, the potholes are detected, as you see. So this is the overall of my project. Thank you.